All right. So now you have your Facebook group set up. You have a lead magnet that you've developed because you've been conducting research. You're building an audience. You have strategic partnerships. One of the pieces I want to talk about is what's considered a funnel. So a funnel, otherwise known as a sales process, is a structured process that gets a person to go from not knowing to fully being able to trust you. And it's what I call like the know like trust factor. A funnel is similar to, if you think about the funnel we use in our cars. So if I look at the sales process and I look at, I've gone ahead and I've given you something, there has to be a place where you're hosting that information so that not only are they reading and consuming your content, but after they consume your content, if they're looking to buy, there's a place you need to be able to go. So for me, I've used many different technologies and softwares, etc. But the best software I've been able to find is called Kajabi. Kajabi has one of the most native ways of creating membership courses, online education, etc., because it was built with intentionality around that. So the course you guys are looking at right now has been built in Kajabi. And if you go ahead and you use the link that's below, you're going to be able to get not only a phenomenal product, but at a discount that you can't find anywhere else. Because I care about you and I care about what's going on in your life, and taking that light that lives inside of you and sharing it with the world means everything to me. So you're going to need to create a sales process, aka a funnel, to get people from joining your group cold to maybe not giving you the email to becoming a lifetime customer because you've been able to show up and serve them for so long. Thank you.